guys. Nice walleye. What is your name?
My name's Mike.
Mike?
Yeah.
Jim?
And Bob.
And Bob. Well, thanks for the donations.
Yes, no problem, man.
What's up, guys? Here in the Menominee River again. Gonna come back out the same spot and try to clean it up some more, get some more lures. Really nice day today. Here's a really nice one right here, a custom.
That's a neat.
Different spot. Here we go. Here we go. Nice, nice walleye. What is your name?
My name's Mike.
Mike?
Yeah.
Jim?
And Bob.
And Bob. Well, thanks for the donations.
Yes, no problem, man.
Gave him all a free lure, and he actually bought a couple. So
We got a couple more to catch yet. You're only allowed one.
Yep. We don't drink those. Some really big sturgeon down in here right now. Can't see too good. I'm gonna get out of there so they don't hit me in the face. Still got about 1400 psi of air left. I'm beat, kind of wore out. I started here, went up and down the river, hopped on land, walked up the island, gave some lures away, talked with them for a little bit, hopped back in on the north side of the island. It's coming back, there's sturgeon in there. It's kind of like iffy, I couldn't see it too good, and I got one on camera, I could see them swirling it up. I think they're in there eating walleye eggs. I ended up going to the other side of the interstate and cleaning up some trash. I got a little bit of extra trash over there, some fishing line, some rope, this bottle here. And this is all they got for lures today, so not too much. Berkeley money badger right here. That's pretty cool. Little custom rip and wrap here. Nothing too awesome, but it is something, so that's nice. Great exercise. I gotta go home and finish my videos.